Hello guys, welcome to another video, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to earn $250 per hour of your time typing names online. And this method is so simple that you require no skill to get started. So if you're new to my channel, please kindly subscribe to this channel, and also if you're looking for ways to start making money online and quit your 9 to 5 job, check out the link at the description below to start making money online today. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to earn $250 per hour of your time typing names on the internet. And also in this video, I'm going to show you how it works, how this system works, and how you can start making money with it. I'm also going to show you the websites involved in this method and also show you how to get started making money with this method. And this method is so simple that you can work anywhere in the world. It's not only limited to the US, UK, or United Kingdom, but anywhere in the world you can use this method and start making money today. And also, this method is free to join and it's free to get started. You require no website and you require no skills, and also you can do this even without experience in this. All you need to get started is a computer with a basic internet connection. So in this video, I'm also going to I will be showing you exactly how to start making money today. So once again, if you're new to my channel, please kindly subscribe to my channel, and also check out the link in the description below to start making money online, quit your 9 to 5 job, and live a life of financial freedom. So to get started with this website and how you can start making $250 per hour of your time just typing name on the internet. Now, the first website is called Nameforce. So Nameforce is a business name organization that gives businesses names. So Nameforce contest will give you a great business name. So how this works is that new businesses and organizations that are looking out to start out online or offline, or looking to start a new business or a new company, or able to create a new product, they come to this website to get name suggestion and to get names for their businesses, for their products, for their services, and for what they have to offer. So businesses come to this website to get names. So namers submit names, and the Nameforce teams rank all these names, and as a business, the business goes to choose a winner for their name. So what you want to do on this website is you want to come into this website as a namer, becoming a namer. You want to, as an individual, you want to start giving names, typing name, giving name suggestion to these businesses, and when your name comes up as a winner, you make money just doing that. There are over 4,000 businesses that have used this service, and this service is real, it's legit, and you can make money with this business. So looking at how you can make money with this business, look how you can make money with this method. It is real to make money with this, with just typing name, and these are examples of people that are making money with this name. These are current dates and time, and these are current winnings or current money. This guy here made $100, and this guy made $100 just suggesting name. And here also, this is a profile, a basic profile of somebody that is currently using this method I'm going to be teaching you in this video. And when you look at this method, this guy earns a total of $5,522 just doing this method, and this lady here, or this profile here, has made a total of $3,236,000 just doing this same exact thing. And this guy here, it's an awesome dude or an awesome lady, a creative lady who has made over $38,000 on this website doing this same exact method. And when you come to Nameforce, they are also, these are winners for 2016, and you see this guy here has made over $250 just by winning this competition, and this shows you that it is real and you can make money with this method. So, and when you look at the leaderboard from the right hand side, this is a winning of $425, a winning of $375, $250, $350, $325, and $250 of people making money. This guy here made $50, and this guy here $50, this one 150, and so on and so forth. So there is an unlimited amount of money you can make by doing this method, and this is a proof that you can actually make money online typing name on the internet. So how does it work? Nameforce as a business or as a team suggest names to business organizations and individuals that are looking out to starting out their business. So what you want to do is, when you come over to context, these are business name context, and on the first layer we have the active name context going on this site. You become a namer to give out your name suggestion to this site, and you partake in this different context. As a namer, you partake in this context and you win. When your name become chosen, you win the amount that was been set out to give people that won in the context. So this context is for $100, the second one is for $100, the third one is for $100, the fourth and the fifth, these are $100 context, and the first one is a vacation rental organization which said we offer 24 Airbnb vacation rental cabinets that are themed to resemble a late 80s old something thereabout. So they are kind of looking for name suggestion for their businesses, and you come in and you sign up to them, suggesting their names, giving them names, and when you're winning, when your suggestion wins, or when you win on the site, you earn the required amount of money. So the second website is called Squad Help. So Squad Help is a service similar to Nameforce.com. And as you can see on Squad Help, you can give out name suggestion, you can give out tagline suggestion, and you can give out logo design. So want to concentrate, as this video titles making money just by typing in name. Want to concentrate on the name suggestion. So what you want to do is, when you come to this website, and this is a proof that there are different organizations using this service to make names for them, for using this service to generate names, business names, taglines, and logos for their businesses. Over 100,000 creatives, 21,000 customers, and over 85,000 industries to choose from. So there are tons of opportunity to work and to make real money in this site. So how does it work? When the business gives out their name context, ideas keeps pouring in, and they rate and choose their names, and you get paid when your name becomes selected. So that is how basically it works. So you want to come, there are three ways to use name suggestion, to use Squad Help. The first way is the naming context. The second way is the premium domain marketplace and the agency level stuff. But want to focus on the naming context, which is basically when a company comes in to start a context. You want to start a context, and you get yourself involved in the context, and you start making money just by giving out your name in the context, by giving out name suggestions in the context. So there are various organizations. These are examples of names or industries that you can work with, or that you can work on you can go. So basically, so active context on Squad Help, you move on to the active context to find context you can be a part of, and it will show you the list of active context going on in the site. these are the active contacts, and on this list, yes, so this is it, over 532 active contacts going on right now. And this is there's a guaranteed prize. An award is guaranteed for this content. So there's a guaranteed prize for this contest, which is over $750 just for the winner of this contest. And this one has a guaranteed prize of $400 for the winner of this contest. And this also had a guarantee of $350 for the winner of this contest. So you can make money doing this just by going to these two websites. I'll drop the link below in this video. Sign up to this site and use your spare time to suggest names for these companies and make money per hour of your time doing this. So you may have difficulty coming on with the names, or with business names or taglines for this business. So the best way you can do is coming to a site called getsocial.com. Getsocial is a slogan generator on their website, where you can type in the keyword of the business and you generate slugline or business name for these people. You can use this website to get ideas of what the company wants, or how you can generate names for this company. So this is possible, it's doable, and guys, I hope you love this video. So guys, if you love this video, please help me subscribe to this channel for more videos like this, and also remember to like and share this video. Let me know in the comment below what you think about these two websites. And lastly, if you're looking for ways to start making money online so that you can quit your 9 to 5 job, so that you can have the free time you need, so that you can have the enjoyment of the time, liberty, time, and freedom to do anything you want, check out the link in the description below, the first link in the description of this video, to learn how you can start making money today and make more money online and live a life of financial freedom. See you guys in the next video.